Hi guys, my name is Cullum and today we're going to do a review on the KZ shades. If you're watching this video, chances are it's because you were targeted on social media by KZ ads and now you're searching for customer reviews, so here you go. By the way, this video is in no way or form sponsored. I purchased my first set of KZ gear sunglasses just over a year ago and have been using them ever since. I have swam in the ocean, swim in the lakes, backpacked, hiked, you name it. I've pretty much put these things through the test, so I feel like I have a good bit of valuable experience with them. So let's get to it. First things first, would I recommend them to anybody else? Yes, I absolutely would. Not at full price, but good thing is KZ offers sales all the time, anywhere from 20 to 30, 40, 50% off. The glasses are advertised to be floating and durable, and I will attest they absolutely do float. They're extremely lightweight and they are fairly flexible. Now I'm not going to bend them in any sort of crazy way, shape or form. That's not the way I treat my sunglasses, and I don't believe there's a reason to do that. As for the polarization, it's decent. I'm not going to say it's the best polarization I've ever had. I'm also not going to say it's the worst. These are actually my third set of polarized glasses from KZ. My first set I purchased just over a year ago. What happened to the first two sets? Well, the first set I wore for about a month, loved them, and then the coating on one of the lenses started to chip off. I immediately contacted KZ. I received an email response within the day saying that that wouldn't be a problem and they would replace them 100% free of charge. Within the week, I received my replacement set. That replacement set I then wore for the entire next year. I will attest, I did not take the best care of those. I ended up putting them on the floor and stuff in my canoe, leading to quite a few scratches on the exterior of the lens, something that I believe is extremely acceptable, especially for the abuse that they took. Me, I'm a fairly picky person. I like to see clearly through my lens, so I decided then to put the KZ for Life guarantee to the test. I went to the KZ Gear website, filed a claim. Within that day, I received a promotional code. That night, went and ordered my next set of replacement sunglasses. I received them within the next week of purchasing, and here they are. I've had them now for two days, worn them on the lake, everything. I like them. I did order a different color than my previous set, but other than that, they are pretty much exactly the same. I plan on taking better care of them this time. So my experience with KZ gear is extremely good. I'm sure these are probably another Chinese knockoff brand that have just been rebranded, but KZ has treated me well, and for 20 bucks I can now replace my sunglasses at any point in time as long as KZ gear is still along. With that, I am extremely happy. Upon ordering your set of KZ shades, they'll come in a nice little box. You will receive them with a soft cover and a hard cover. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it helps you make a decision whether or not KZ shades are for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy adventure videos, please go check out my other channel, Built to Venture. I do all sorts of adventures, a lot of off-roading, weekend adventures, week-long adventures, day adventures, fishing, you name it, I do it on there. That is it. My name is Cullum. I hope you guys have a blessed day. For now, we'll see you guys next time.